Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an amazing car right here. 1983 Oldsmobile Toronado Brougham, loaded to the gills with options. But here's the exciting part. 2,222 actual miles. Not 22,000, but 2,222 actual miles. This is an original survivor that looks close to new. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can study over 100 pictures, read all the specs, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones come out. But for right now, why don't you join me for a spin in this time capsule 83 Olds Toronado Brougham. It really is amazing. The paint job is like show quality. It is so glossy, and I don't want to use the word pristine, but I think it is. I went around the car twice looking for a flaw that I could point out to you. I don't see any. The body is mint. There's no door dings. There's no blisters. There's no scrapes from the garage. The body is outstanding. The paint is super glossy. The metal flake is laid out nice. It's called light sable is the color. And all the trim, these plastic fillers, they go bad. They crack and break and fall apart even if the car has 0 miles on it. They're in excellent condition. All of the trim, the taillights, the chrome, the bumpers, the rub strips here, all of that is mint. The padded Landau top, which is an option, nice padded top, is mint. It's not shrunk from the edges. It's not split. All these moldings are bright. These mirrors could be put in a box and sold for brand new. They're mint. The only flaw I did see, these 2 rubber seals right here are brittle. There's a little chunk missing here. There's some cracks in these seals right here. The moldings, the side body moldings, the door edge guards, all mint. Wire wheel hubcaps sparkle. They're not pitted. They're beautiful. The tires, I would imagine they've been replaced. They got to be newer tires. The tread on them, they look like brand new. Again, all the glass is crystal clear. All the body gaps are just right. All this chrome, all the rub strips, excellent. The little, oh, that's not even a nick, that's grease. Now I got a dirty hand. All that's excellent. Loaded with options. Power antenna, power seats. It's a split seat. There's 6-way on each side. This one reclines. That's an option. Power trunk, power locks, power windows. Underneath the car is all original and in really good original condition. If you don't know anything about cars, you're going to look at it and see some surface rust on different components. That's just the way they are. But it's a rust-free car in professional terms. There's no rot. It's not flaking, it's not rotten at all underneath. It's super clean, original. It has disc brakes at all 4 wheels. I guess I was a little surprised to see that. It has a overdrive automatic transmission. And underneath it still has original stickers and markings from the assembly line. There's still a tag on the transmission and on the springs. The exhaust is in excellent original shape. It's got the catalytic converter. It's not rotted through. It's a nice exhaust system. It sounds quiet as can be. So the door jambs are mint, and the weather strips are soft. These are really nice. They're like new. So it's just these rubber seals here that are brittle. The rest of it is soft. The interior is really nice. The pillow top velour seats are real comfy. Has an optional leather grip deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column, has cruise control, has the Twilight Sentinel lights. That means it'll dim as oncoming cars are coming. Interior lights work. It does not smell like a mouse nest inside. That's a problem with low-mile cars. They sit and things start growing in there and living in there, but not the case with this one. It's a 5.0 motor. completely stock in here. All the wires, the hoses, the tubes, the stickers, the pollution pump, overflow bottle. Everything is in excellent original condition. The air conditioning was updated with R134 Freon. It has the optional Tempermatic, I think it's called, where you actually just set the temperature and it'll automatically maintain. That was an option. Inside the trunk compartment's like a time capsule. It does have a remote trunk that works, but you have to have the key on. Immaculate. The spare's never been used. Comes with the service books. Comes with this really nice binder with the original colors and options. I think this is something the dealer would have used to show a car. It has the brown rubber mats. It has a real nice tan car cover. The paint, the rubber, mint. The little shocks keep the trunk open. This armrest, like someone pushed down on it. It's like a foam, and someone pushed real hard on the armrest. It's not ripped or split, but it's got like a divot. The dash pad is mint. There's no cracks. I don't see any in the wood grain plastic or the dash pad. All the vents and trim, everything in there still sparkles. Again, it's not an old dirty car that was left in a barn or under a tarp somewhere. Seat belts are excellent. It has the optional carpeted floor mats that we have in the car. That's an option. It has the deluxe stereo system. I'm going to start it up for you right now. It runs like a new car. $2,227 miles is what's on there. Runs smooth as can be. Glove box compartment looks new. The light works. The headliner is drooping. That's another common issue with these. The foam between the headliner and the roof just starts to disintegrate. So the headliner is still there. It's not hanging down in your face, but it's droopy. So the headliner and rubber seals are the two things that I see keeping it from being a brand new car. Motor runs perfectly well. This also has the automatic leveler. The pump is here and it has air shocks in back. So what's supposed to happen is you put extra people or load the trunk with stuff, it'll bring the suspension level up. I see a little dimple right here. I just caught it. A little dent. Little tiny dimple. Believe it or not, when I opened the trunk, I got a whiff of like new car smell. I don't know how that's possible, but I did. This car amazes me at the condition it's in. It's claimed to be all original. I did look for overspray or signs of a repaint. With my knowledge, I couldn't see anything of the sort. We got the car from a collector. He collects really low mile cars. We just sold his Cadillac, that 78 Cadillac. They had 200 miles on it. So this is a legitimate, pristine survivor, the best I can tell. Visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. Let me back up. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. If you have questions about this car, the process, financing, delivery, plenty of ways on there you can reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help with that. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. So thanks for watching.